Has there been no physical affection for more than a month? Welcome back to this 4-part series where we're diving into the top 4 reasons why sex right after prayer is the second most important part of marriage. We're also unpacking why intimacy often holds even greater weight for women than it does for men. In today's video, part 4, we're breaking down the 4th reason why sex holds this critical place in a holy, lasting marriage. And if you stick around until the end, I have a proven training resource to help guide you through to the first step in you fixing a sexless marriage. Comment battle mode and I'll send it right over to you. No name, no email, just ask. Bam! Hey, I'm Jerry Jacobs Jr., a Catholic marriage coach with over 10 years of experience helping Catholic men save their marriage, even when separation, divorce, or annulment are on the table. From the man whose wife is emotionally detached to the man whose wife who is already filed or has left. And I've coached men through comebacks that they never thought were possible. Number 4. Now we're to the last one. So number 4, what is the number 4 reason that sex is the most important thing in marriage? Sex, if done properly, will unfold in a wife a feeling of complete trust, love, security, and the feeling that he will not abandon her. Woo! That's a big one. That's a big one. That is the culmination of the other 3. So when I say abandon, I mean like all of the other men she has had sex with in her life. Women they have this gift of being able to know if they think you love them, they will give you their body. They will give you their mind and heart. The problem is once they do that, it's not easily reversed. It's very hard to reverse. I have the argument that it's not reversible, that once a woman allows a man inside of her, that they are bonded for life. Just like I tell men, when you have sex with a woman, you're bonded to that woman for life. Okay? Over time, it's not as strong, but it's still there. Okay? So when I say a woman, when she has sex with a man that she is not married to, think about it. You're the only one in your wife's life who didn't abandon her when she gave her body, heart, mind, and soul. You're the only one. Why? You married her. You manned up. You had children with her. You married her in the church. You know, you loved her properly. You know, you gave yourself to her. You made her a real woman, and she made you a real man. Every other man in her life, they were jerks, right? They didn't fit the mold. They used her body. This is why women are very damaged and hurt when they have sex outside of marriage. I don't care what anybody tells you. They don't know what they're talking about. Look at the women today. They're miserable. They're miserable. And the reason why they are like this is because of their hurt. Because of the damage that's been done to them by other men not being able to control themselves. Men know how to get sex from women. They do. It's proven every day, every minute of the day. Women can be made to think, men can say things and make that woman think, oh, he just loves me the best, the most. He loves me. I'm going to give myself to him. He's going to eventually marry me. See, women, no matter what they tell you, they're not going to have sex with you unless they think you have potential and that you are the marrying kind and that they are attracted to you and think that someday we're going to get married. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, maybe not next month, but eventually we're going to get married. Why? Because women have this inside of them given to them by God. It's called the natural law that I'm bonded to him. He's going to naturally marry me because he loves me and I love him. And this is why how men can be very deceptive when it comes to women. This is why you see women who are combative today. This is why you see women who will confront men and call them names and get in their face, why they combat their husbands, why they're unsettled, they're anxious. All of this has to do with the damage of their soul, of them giving themselves to men who do not truly love them or care for them. There is no height a woman can reach when she feels her husband is completely devoted to her. She will serve him 10 times more than he will serve her, but he must first sacrifice his wants, desires, needs, and ego. This is why I'm coming at you like this. I want you to understand exactly what's going on with women. A lot of women will turn to other women and be with them rather than keep continuing to be with a man who keeps hurting them and things like that. But women don't realize people are people. Women are made for men, men are made for women. And it's time for us to know that, because when together with God, we become a one flesh union. We become the perfect person, okay? So selfishness is the thing that drives women away. So this is why I teach men, we must learn how to not consider ourselves, our ego, our wants, desires, and needs over that of God and our wife. All right? Again, your wife will serve you 10 times more than you gave her, but you must sacrifice your wants, desires, ego, and your needs before that. Then your wife will start to trust you and feel secure in you and know that you won't abandon or leave her. Okay, so what does this mean? This is when full submission comes as Christ meant for it to be. This is when full submission comes as Christ meant for it to be. What does that mean? Christ submits to God, the husband submits to Christ, the wife submits to the husband, the kids submit to the wife and the husband. See, simple logic. Bring it all together. This training builds a strong case for the importance of fruitful and fulfilling intimacy in marriage. Many, of course, will rationalize and reject what I am saying. This is mainly out of ignorance, selfishness, and a lack of the Holy Spirit. If your marriage is sexless or lacks complete and soul-fulfilling intimacy, your wife is suffering. And it's said, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy, all right? Men must understand sex is not about him, but about God and his beloved. The time has come for us to have a real understanding of intimacy as God has an understanding, which is to sacrifice for the beloved. Meaning, as men, in order to completely fulfill our wives as women and to make them happy, we must never consider our happiness, our wants, our desires, our needs, and remove our ego. Why? Because in the end, this is selfishness. And selfishness for men leads to hell. Bam! So comment battle mode and I'll send you a powerful PDF training guide along with the training video that leads you through to the first step of defeating a sexless marriage and regaining the intimacy you deserve. It will take you less than 10 minutes to consume. Want to go deeper? I've created a 3-part masterclass training that deep dives into the root causes of a sexless marriage. Comment masterclass and I'll send it to you. Let's say you want both, the PDF training, the masterclass training. Comment both and I'll send both right over to you. Bam.